Welcome back, guys, to Mama Jones house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say it hot, guys. It's hot like a scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, this is a scotch bonnet pepper time. And when we say it hot, it's hotter than fire. It's hotter than scotch bonnet. It's hotter than, when we say hot, me mean hot. That's how hot me mean when we say it hot, guys. Because you know what, guys? The other day, Papa Harry put me in the hot seat. And when we say hot seat, you know, if you made him turn on the fire upon my house. I not like hot seat. But you see, today I feel hot seat time. Today, my time now to put him in the hot seat. Because you know what, guys? The same thing we want to do to him, to do to me, and the same thing we want to do for me to do to him. Before we get any further, we want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post, guys. Because you know what? I gotta turn the heat on. You know what them say? Turn the heat on, turn the heat on. I make the heat burn like a fire. Ooh, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna open the phone and go into it and see the questions them where you guys want me to light up underneath him ass. You know when you light ass? Anybody ever light fire in the ass? Yeah? I don't know it hot. Well, on the child, I won't even bother talk. I'm going to just get into it. You know what it's called? The hot seat. Hot seat. Hot seat. Bonio, bonio, bonio. So, guys.
You don't talk about people chat so much. I'm not chat like shit. It's all good.
Okay, guys. Now, guys, we're going to hit him with the first one. What is the favorite things you like about? What is the favorite thing you like about?
Things are things. Which one?
Whichever way you want. Don't start with that right now with me. No. Just what is the favorite? Okay, what is the favorite thing you like about me?
See, that's why I ask you that question, because that's a very complicated question, because there's many things when I don't even like how I love about Mama Joan, because I say, oh, but the most favorite one I love about Mama Joan is that Mama Joan loves me, and she seems
you think I love you?
I know you love me.
You know me love you.
Yeah.
So this other question what I'm gonna want to know is this. Okay, you talk about all this love where you love and whatever.
Yeah.
This other question what them want for you. Have you ever said I love you to someone just before you went to sleep with them?
No.
You never.
Never.
Even in your young days when you are jealous, you never tell no girl, no, you never use that sweet line upon no girl.
Okay. I remember when I was going to school, I go to Harborview Primary School, and I was in 6th grade. And this teacher, nice teacher, Miss Sinclair, there was this girl in her class named Lexine Morris.
You have to tell out the people them.
She was the first person that I love, but she didn't even look at me. She never even see me. So when Mama Joan come love me, you know.
So you love Lexi and Lexi never see you.
She never even look at me.
She don't even know you exist.
No, they love you.
Boy, guys, when I send some spicy question you feel, and I tell you them I get hotter and hotter. Because this one, boy, I not even. Me not have to turn on the button because the seat is very hot. Hot as it is. I don't need no button. They say I'm not turn up film button for me. Why I don't need to turn the button? Because the fire is just on them ass. So this is the next one with them want to ask. Have you ever paid for a front? We put front, but a chocho. Have you ever paid for chocho? How much chocho you buy? You buy chocho?
No.
Okay.
Certain things in life. The best thing in life is for free.
Them said anything free no good.
Don't listen to people say.
But I come free. I come free and I'm good.
Thing to
yes,
me.
and I am
best
good.
Thing in
yes, so.
So, no, The best things in life is for free.
Okay.
Because love is for free. If you have to buy love, it don't worth it.
Okay.
Because you don't guarantee that love will love you back.
So do you hear what Papa Harry said?
So,
do not buy no front.
No, I buy what kind of front?
You understand
I never
me?
buy front.
Find somebody who will love you, who will give you the front for free.
Love is for
free front.
But when you say free, you know, guys, see, after everything done, you know, it cost me house and land still. But it was free at the time. But eventually,
it turned out into house and land.
So we live in the house and land, yeah?
Yes, so
that it cost me.
So it's not free.
No, it's not free. Eventually, you have to pay a fee.
Pay for another way.
So,
yeah.
that is love.
So, guys, in buy front.
Whatever. The only front I buy was on the front. If she don't, I don't buy front. No, crazy. I never buy front.
Okay, Papa Harry. So, the next question with them say me for ask you is, what's your body count? How many girls have you been with? Guys, we can't answer that phone now. But we're going to make him answer it.
I don't know. What is the body count?
Because the body count them enough.
It's not about being enough. It's just
It
that I am a
can't even...
loving person.
Oh my
I
gosh.
never deal with a woman that I never love. I don't just see a woman
the
and
fuck?
deal.
How much love him have so?
Yeah, but them don't love me back. As me say, you have to be careful, you know, guy. Because she asking me about the love that I have. But I'm a loving person. I'm not a guy who just go around and play with people's heart and
But guys, you know,
No.
say Papa Harry, everybody who him go with him love them,
Yeah.
and every one of them break him heart.
Okay.
So I'm gonna me one left to break him heart now.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't think it's too late for that
So
now.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how much body count can you say you got through? Like count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Put it this way.
About 20?
I don't know. I wasn't counting. I never have time for count. But I know I've been going on with my ladies them from I was about, say, 6.
6.
Them time them live, because me leave
So guys, so Papa Harry is a hoe.
Oh,
Papa Harry, he's a hoe, a man hoe.
Oh,
He's been working his body from his 6 years old in my working body. You know something, guys? Me never know say this man and me married was a hoe. Me never know say my working body from my 6 years old. 6 years old in my working body, you know. So you know from a whole heap of work him do, you know. Blouse and are you till turn up your strong man?
Same way.
Lord
It's not about the age or the time, you know.
It's about what?
How you take care of your body.
Lord have
So
mercy.
it's once you take care of your body, it will last forever.
What something you ate about me that you never told me? Is there anything you ate about me that you never told me about?
To be truthful, guys,
Then
I don't eat nothing about Mama Joan. So that's a tricky question. For me to find something that I ate about Mama Joan, I couldn't pinpoint.
But you tell me I chat too much all the time.
Yeah, but I never ate it because you chat too much.
Okay.
I never ate it for that.
Okay.
So there's nothing.
So what about when I beat you?
Beat me. Oh, you beat me. Beat me.
What about when I bust him? Because guys, I bust him ass. I don't want to know, but me I got tell you no. I not hide it. I bust him ass
She won't know about that. Me don't know about that. So I never ate her for
So him
that.
can't go and hide that. So you don't eat that either.
No,
Okay.
I don't know about it. She won't know about it. I don't know about that. So I don't eat nothing about Mama Joan.
Okay, all right. So there's nothing you don't eat about your wife, eh? Okay. Okay, the next question I'm going to ask you is, which one of my friends do you find attractive?
Which one of your friends them?
Yeah, which one of my friend you find attractive? Is there one of my friend you find attractive?
Straight up, guys. Them have a saying where them say, birds of a feather tends to flock together.
Yeah.
And you see, Mama Joan was a very attractive person. So you see the people them around her were all attractive, beautiful and good people. They weren't attracted. I wasn't attracted to them. But
You was just attracted to your
I
Mama
was
Joan?
only attracted to Mama Joan. But she had lots of nice looking friends and attractive friends, but they weren't for me because I had my Mama Joan.
Okay.
And I wasn't greedy.
You satisfied with your get?
I satisfied with my Mama Joan and I was good. Not a my take.
Have you ever thought about any woman when you do the nasty?
The nasty?
Yeah.
You're mad?
You never think about nobody?
No.
You don't think about who you think about? Just me?
First of all, guys, I am in 7 heavens when I am with Mama Jones.
Guys, you hear that?
I have nobody to think about.
And he said he's in 7 heaven when we are doing the nasty.
So, you think
oh my God.
The only person I can think about when I am doing whatever I am doing is who I am doing it with, and that was Mama Joan. Okay. I don't have time to think about who. First of all, none of them never sweet like Mama Joan. As we say, Mama Joan was sugar, spice, and honey.
Everything nice. Everything nice.
And me never see a woman when nice to me like Mama Joan, where me amongst Mama Joan, me I think about them. No, that never occurred to me.
Okay.
Never.
Well, honey, this man is a tricky one.
Okay.
And you probably want to go in a long cocky story, but me rather you don't. You just cut it short and sweet.
Come to me. Okay.
So this is it now.
Okay.
If me and your mom were falling off a cliff, why people all the wicked so? Why would you? This is what I'm gonna understand. Why would you guys want to ask the man this question? This is not a question one should be asking him. I shouldn't even be reading it, but me I'm gonna read it still because this is hella funny. To me it is, but it's hella gonna be hella serious to him.
Yeah.
Because I hear the question one who asks the man. If me and your mom were falling off a cliff, who would you save? Like, guys, why would you want to ask the man that question?
No, but that's not a tricky question. No, it's not.
Why?
Because
It's not.
to me, when growing up, I was the least loved child for my mom.
Oh my God.
So if my mom is falling off a cliff and my wife is falling off a cliff, I wouldn't even look at my mom.
Oh my God, please do not
No,
think
straight
Papa
up,
is
no,
cruel to say
it's
that.
not cruel, but I didn't have a relationship with my mom. I didn't have a relationship with my dad. The only relationship that I can remember, the first relationship that I can remember was with Mama Joan. So, if Mama Joan and my mom dropping off a cliff, I wouldn't even think twice. I'm holding on to Mama Joan. Bye, Mom. And that's me. Because I hear my friend them talk about them mom, I know them love them mom. I love my mom
You love your
death.
mom. I know you love your mother.
I love my mom to death. But did she love me? So that is the difference with my mom and Mama Joan. My mom never returned no love to me. Mama Joan returned the love to me. So if I see anybody, I would be holding on to Mama Joan. That is my love. Bye, Mom.
Well, thank you, sweetheart.
It's reality.
Don't let me fall over the cliff.
No, you're crazy.
But mother try to grab on with both hands.
Well,
so if you grab me and her, if you can.
They
If
didn't
you
give me
can.
a choice.
I know, but I am just telling you that I would rather you try to save both of us.
I would try and save both of them.
Okay.
But the first choice
Okay.
would be Mama Joan.
Okay.
Okay.
So, we are going to go
And
on.
that's not a tricky question to me.
So, do you miss anyone from your past? Is there anybody in your past that you miss today? I know there have to be someone. I know there's one person in your past I know that you would miss right now. And I have on his shirt yesterday.
Have on the shirt.
I have on his shirt yesterday.
Oh, Jimmy?
Yes.
Yeah, but me I figure say somebody like...
It said, do you miss anybody from your past? Anyone from your past? So, who would you miss from your past?
That was my cousin, Jimmy.
Yeah. Is there anybody else?
No.
That's why I figure it would have to be him because we have such a close relationship. So when he passed away, I figure, and the way you were, and not even Jimmy alone. Really and truly, your brother from another mother and another father. I know it's your stuff where you're supposed to answer, but we know how your head works sometimes. I know you miss Mr. Black.
Yeah, well, Mr. Black, I'm a bonafide.
Yes.
He was just like me.
He's like your big, yes. He was like your bigger brother.
Yeah, well, he was like
was
a
a
bigger
brother to you, you know.
So, I miss him. I can never get over him. But I think about family member, out of all of my family member,
You don't miss
that cousin, Jimmy, I miss him more than everybody else in my family. All my mother and my father passed away and I don't miss them like I miss my cousin Jimmy. Because when I was struggling back home, he was struggling. But when we put hands and heart together, I would give him something and say, go and go cook and come. And that was it. So he was always dear for me. He was one of the few persons that was dear for me before I met Mama Joan. So I would have said my cousin Jimmy.
Yeah,
and she have a sister, Suzette.
Yes.
Suzette was my bona fide.
Yeah.
When I talk about
Papa,
Suzette.
I really love Suzette. Suzette make the best curry chicken.
Yeah.
Me can't cook curry chicken like how she cook curry chicken. She make the best curry chicken with the flour all over the roof.
But Suzette was one of the best.
When my sister is making, she love to make curry chicken and dumpling. And then Ari always said, Joan, why is the flour on the roof? Why is the flour on the floor? But that was her, you know. I can't forget her. So okay. So alright, so the next question is this, is where them ask you. If you were granted a wish to remarry someone else, would you? To marry someone else?
No.
No?
No. I wouldn't even have to think twice. As I say, Mama Joan had the love of my life. So why would I want to remarry? If I was gonna remarry, I would have remarried Mama Joan again. I would have married to her 2 times, 3, 4, 5 times. I don't see nobody in my head.
Oh my God. I don't know why you guys want to know all these things. You don't want to know about the nasty. You don't want to know. Okay, so this is another one what they want to know. What's your favorite bedroom position, Mr. Hudson? What is your favorite bedroom position?
To tell you the truth, my favorite bedroom position is Mama Joan position. Any position Mama Joan is my position. So we don't have one favorite position because all of the position them Mama Joan, as long as I see Mama Joan and me and she whatever, I'm enjoying it. But my favorite, I love the doggy style still, you know. Yeah, I like the doggy style because that's one of my favorite style, doggy style.
Oh my God, Papa,
I love that style.
If you could change one thing about me, what would it be?
If I could change
one thing about me,
you,
yeah, what would it be?
The only thing I would want to change about Mama Joan is knowing her earlier than when I knew her. Because to me, Mama Joan is a perfect.
So guys, Papa already like to know me from my 6
From
years old.
because
if he did know me from my 6 years old, he wouldn't have to go through this loving with this girl which was 6 years old and do not love him back. He would be getting love from 6 years old till now. So that is the only thing. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama Joan is my life. And when I think back on my past, Mama Joan is everything to me right now. And that's the best thing in my life right now.
Okay, this is a very tricky question. I don't know why them sending this question because it's so... This is messed up. I said I'm never going to ask it, but I'm going to ask it. Win $1 billion, but I die, or live along on the street corner broke. I don't understand that question there, but how you don't answer that?
Read it again.
It said, win $1 billion,
okay,
but I die, or live alone on the street corner broke.
Okay, how would I approach that? First of all, I can't see myself having $1 billion and not having Mama Joan. So, I wouldn't want $1 billion and Mama Joan dying, or I can't understand why would I be living on the road. Would I have the $1 million or the $1 billion with Mama Joan, or am I living poor on the road with Mama Joan? It depends. But Mama Joan have to be, I cannot see myself living without Mama Joan.
Okay, so guys, there you have it. He would have loved to have the $1 billion, but not if I die.
No.
So he would have want the $1 billion, want me alive, and the two of we can live rich off of the $1 billion.
Yes. I would like to enjoy that $1 billion with Mama Joan.
Okay.
And if I have a choice between she and the $1 billion, I don't want the $1 billion.
Yeah, so this is a question we want to ask. We ask him, but we have to take it or we not get it.
Yes.
So anyway, guys, now we come to the end of the video. And him answered the question. The seat was kind of hot. It kind of hot in a way. And him did pretty, to me, I think him did pretty good.
Yeah, because I have to think 2 times. So she might think the seat hot, but it's not hot because...
The seat hot like a fire.
It's hot like a fire, but it's like me sit down and I like me in a air condition. Because I have to think 2 times about what he said. Because my best time in my life is Mama Joan. So I don't have to think.
So there you get it, guys. There you hear it from the master, the maestro. You understand me? So guys, we come to the end of the video. So I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And I would like 10K likes on this video. Yeah, for the question they want to make this man answer. You know, it was worse than the one they want to send in for me. Want to put him in at the hot seat. You know, and it burned him like a fire. Yeah, and I'm asked.
Mama Joan, I'm alive.
You know, but at the end of the day,
bother me.
And there you go. So guys, it will up again with anything else you want for here. And as I said, we will see you in the next video.